Hello, everyone.
¿Por qué no la sacaste y la...
Madre, qué buena carita.
Oh my God. The city coming by. Oh. Gina, this is not over. Oh my God, you see what that guy did? He got scared. He watch. Oh my God, what a dope. I think that guy's stuck. He hasn't moved.
Foxtrot Sierra, I'm responding from out of the area. Tango Foxtrot Sierra, TFS. Alright, tornado continues on the ground. Now being transmitted to local media. Looks like...
Oh my God! Holy sh! Look at this, bud! You ready to run with me, okay?
Yeah.
You ready to run with me, buddy?
Yeah, man, this is crazy.
Look at all the roof, bro!
Yok, sımahtık bu. Sımahtık. Okma da hazır ol.
Hadi oğlum.
Sen de.
Devam et.
Motorun.
On y voiture et tout. Oh, j'ai commencé à filmer. Oh putain.
That's how she made the switch for her home's light bulb. Just a few minutes before the end of his shift, the machine suddenly broke down. It's time to give the excavator operators a look at this thing. Manhole covers are dancing in Oslo due to severe weather and storms. At least it won't be erased within a month. This is what happens when you divide by zero on a 1950s mechanical computer. It might look like a strangely colored glass pane, but that's just what happened to the basement exit after a flood. This thing will help you clean your wall in case it gets dirty. Another effective way to prevent flooding from entering your house. It may look like a hawk, but it might end up becoming a meal.
This is next level.
Look at that move. I think many people would mistake it for a snake writhing in that pan. It's best not to get too close to those water games. We just got some special footage of the symbiotic relationship between a snake and a mouse.
Вот такой вот лось, прям рядышком, прям красавец такой. Было бы чем его угостить, я бы его угостила. Ты мой ёб твою мать!
Do you think the insurance company will take responsibility for this? These snails have a bit of excitement in their steps. It's unclear what attracted this group of bugs, but one thing is for sure, I wouldn't want to be a cameraman. So, which signal light will they follow? Comment number 6 if you've seen bees this year.
Nope.
A good idea for girls when having a meal. Have you ever thought about doing this? It's actually a good move.
He's chilling. Ah, look.
Now, you probably understand why he looked to the left. Do you think he managed to catch those alligators in that outfit? Its self-esteem made it hesitate before eating the fallen sausage. With this job, how many kilometers do you think he walks in a day? Imagine you are walking home at night and suddenly encounter this on the road. When the man is deeply focused on his phone, remember this.
Это сбой в матрице, ребята.
Look at this furry friend. It seems he's caught in a real-life matrix glitch.
Алло, кошка. Киска, иди сюда. Не реагируй.
A normal day in the life of a giant. You can't cuddle your cat because it often bites you, while this man does the opposite. The only thing it will do now is enjoy itself. How many points would you give for this beauty and cuteness? In 20 years, he is sure to become a billionaire if he sticks to that job every day. This dog is truly living life in its own way. One wrong cut, and the boss will be handing out pay cuts. Give us a like if you've ever encountered a situation like this while using a saw.
Fallout New Vegas rad Scorpio farms. I've never heard of Scorpio farmers.
This is street cleaning work in Australia, and it's different from the cleaning standards in any other country around the world.
Scorpio.
Wildlife in Thailand is very diverse, but the creature in front of you might not be familiar to science because it's actually actors in costumes for a movie scene.
Tonya, I got this for you. So we're gonna move over there.
Golfing in the mountains. Be bear aware. He is coming closer to you, Spencer.
Nothing can stop his passion for golf.
Это vyhodeno.
Dejte těch 230. 230.
The experience of becoming a mother for the
What is it?